Welcome to this tutorial on how Monzo Flex works. Monzo Flex is a buy now pay later service offered by Monzo, a digital bank. It allows you to split purchases into monthly payments, making it easier to manage your finances. To get started with Monzo Flex, you need to have a Monzo account. If you don't have one, you can sign up through the Monzo app. Once you have an account, you can apply for Monzo Flex, which will involve a credit check. If your application is approved, you will be given a credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can spend using Monzo Flex. When you make a purchase, you can choose to pay for it using Monzo Flex. You will be given the option to split the purchase into 3, 6, or 12 monthly payments, depending on the purchase amount and your credit limit. You will also be shown the total amount you will pay, including any interest. The interest rate on Monzo Flex varies depending on your credit score and the purchase amount. You can check the interest rate before you make a purchase, so you know exactly how much you will be paying. It is also worth noting that if you miss a payment, you may be charged a late fee, so it is essential to make your payments on time. To make a payment, simply go to the Monzo app, select the purchase you want to pay for, and choose the pay option. You can also set up automatic payments, so you don't have to worry about missing a payment. Using Monzo Flex can be a convenient way to manage your finances, but it is essential to use it responsibly. Make sure you only spend what you can afford to pay back, and always check the interest rate before you make a purchase. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of Monzo Flex and stay on top of your finances.